In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Canva app on your PC. So it just involves a couple of steps and I want you to follow each step and don't miss or skip any part of the video. So all you have to do is just go to canva.com and just log in with any Gmail account or Facebook account and you will see this home screen right here. So I'm assuming that you have already signed in into the Canva account. Now after signing in, if you don't want to use it on browser and you want to download the application, so all you have to do is just go to the corner where it says your name, and on the bottom you will see this option right here which says get the Canva apps. Just go ahead and click on it, and it says here download Canva for Windows or for Windows 10 or later. So just go ahead and download this, and it will ask you for the download location. Just choose your location. This software is approximately of 152 MB, so depending on your system speed you might need to wait a little bit. So after downloading, you can just directly go ahead and click here to install the setup directly, or if you want to see the location or go to that location, just click on this show in folder and it will take you to the location. Just double click to start the installation, click on run, and it's a simple installation and it will immediately install the app almost in the app. Just you need to log in through the browser and you want to use this email ID. Yes, continue to the app and open Canva. And now you can freely use the Canva app on your PC. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.